Give me sun. Hit me with that morning sun. Imperfect action, man. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you 5 beginner skills that you can start offering today as a virtual assistant or a freelancer online. If you want to learn what those 5 skills, I can't wait to tell you what these 5 skills are. Alright, the first skill that I want you to know is called administrative services or data entry. So this is a very easy beginner skill that literally anyone can offer. Every single business, both online and offline, need admin skills. That's why you have a secretary, you have somebody at the front desk, you have somebody that responds to you when you call. These are all administrative duties, and it can be something as simple as imputing text or numbers or whatever figures they want you to put into a spreadsheet or into a Google Doc. You basically need to know how to turn on your computer and use something as simple as Microsoft Word or Google Docs or Microsoft Excel, which is Google Sheets when you go into the Google Suite. So it's really simple and easy, and everybody can do it. And the good thing about offering administrative services is that whoever is giving you the job to do always gives you instructions. They're like, okay, I want you to impute 50 names into a sheet. I want you to put in these 50 email addresses here, or copy this from here, paste this out. Something really simple and straightforward. This is something that you can start offering right now today without even getting any extra training or whatever you think you may need to actually start your business. So that's the first skill I want to tell you. The second skill that you can offer is called social media scheduling. Now, as a brand or a business, you want to have a very strong social media presence. Most of the big brands, you see them posting 3, 5, 6, and some crazy people post as much as 20 times per day. That's because they want to maximize their followers and make sure that every post that they post, at least all their followers see one post out of all the 20 posts that they are posting in a day. And there is nobody that can sit up at 2 a.m. and start posting something on Instagram or on Facebook. And that's where these scheduling apps come in. And they're very simple and straightforward to use. With tools like Buffer and Hootsuite, Planoly, Plan Later, you can actually schedule your posts ahead of time so that even when you're sleeping, you're in a car, you're traveling, you still have social media posts going out consistently, and thus keeping up your social media presence. And that's a service that you can easily offer. Why? Because all you need to do is pick one of these software that I mentioned, and I will link them up in the description as well, and you can sign up for a free account. You play with it for about 10 to 15 minutes, watch a YouTube video or 2, and you're ready to offer those services. You don't actually need to create the content. Your clients will give you the content, and all you need to do is go into those scheduling apps, link their accounts to the app, and then you can start scheduling the posts as they want them spaced out. It's really easy to do, and you can start doing it today. The next thing you can offer, in continuation from the last one, is social media graphic design. I'm very specific about the kind of graphic design because it's really easy to do as opposed to some other kind of really high-end graphics that some brands may need. Something as simple as quotes or posts for social media and simple edits to pictures that you can post on social media are things that you can do using free apps like Canva. You can also use tools like PowerPoint that are already existing on your laptop as part of the Microsoft Suite. So social media graphics specifically are really easy to do. All you need to know is the dimension of the particular graphic specific to the social media platform. So for Facebook, you know that you need a rectangular graphic. For Pinterest, it doesn't have to be in landscape mode, it has to be in portrait mode, really long. And for Instagram, you need a square image. So all you need to know is the dimensions, and these things come inside of Canva as part of the pre-made templates that they have. And you don't need to be an experienced graphic designer to offer these services as well. You just need to go into Canva. There are lots of templates that you can choose from, and all you need to do is tweak the graphics there, change out the images and change out the text, use your client's brand colors, or if you're doing it for yourself, your brand colors, and your image is ready to go. They are simple, they still look professional, and you can offer it as a service, as something that you can start with and eventually progress into something like social media strategy. So that's one of the services that you can offer. Next thing that you can offer as a service is proofreading. This is one of the most overlooked services that you can offer as a freelancer, mostly because we all think someone else is doing it. So proofreading and editing. If you already speak English as your native language, or you studied English in college or in school, or if you just have a really good command of English, you can offer proofreading and editing. All you need to do is go through each of the documents to make sure that there are no grammatical errors, the punctuation is in the right place, and there are no weird lines, or it doesn't look weird as it is formatted. So this is something that anybody that knows English can do. And if you also speak another language like Spanish or Italian or German, people are always looking for people who speak other languages, and they require them to do the same proofreading and editing just for a different language. So it's a very huge opportunity for you to offer that service to them. So it's really easy. All you need to do is sit down, take your time, and proofread the document. There are also apps and tools that you can use as well to help you proofread. So I still believe that human eyes are much better than machines, because there are some things that some of these apps will still miss. The apps will cut your work in more than half. So all you need to do is just reread what the app has already edited and make sure that what it said is correct is actually correct, and you get paid for it. It's a no-brainer skill that you can definitely start offering today. Now, the fifth and final skill that you can offer is transcription. This is really simple. So as I'm making a video like this, if I want to add it to my website as a blog post, I will need it transcribed and summarized into something that I can put on WordPress as a blog post. So somebody will need to sit down and listen to this video and then type everything out into a document form and send to me. Now, like the other skill of proofreading and editing that I just mentioned, you can, as long as you can speak English and you understand English and you can actually type, this is a skill that you can start offering right now. So it makes no sense why you would say there is no skill that you can offer. So to recap, the 5 skills that you can start offering today: you have administrative services or data entry, we have social media scheduling, we have social media graphic design, we have proofreading, and finally we have transcription. One bonus skill that you can also offer if you have a good command of English or any other language that is your primary language is writing. So you could write articles for people, you could write social media captions, you could write posts inside of Facebook groups. You could also even be moderating Facebook groups. People are always looking for people to be their community managers, where you handle the Facebook groups and make sure that people are actually sticking to the rules that are stated in the group, and then you remove all of the spam comments and all the hate comments. And if you're somebody that is extroverted and you really like hanging around people, it will be a perfect job for you. So I hope this was really helpful. These are 5 skills I believe that you should just go out right now and start offering to people who are looking for them. So you don't need any extra training, and what you can do is, as you start offering these skills and making some money off of it, you can invest more into other advanced skills, and then you can increase your prices and change your clients and upgrade your business. I hope this was really helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to actually like it here and subscribe to this channel for more business videos and business tips. Don't forget to share with a friend who might need this information, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I can do this, I could go up, and I can't wait to tell you what these 5 skills are. This is why I don't put my phone on vibration. Vibration is too loud.